Hi, so today we're going to learn about how to write a function in Python. In this hacker challenge, we're asking to check if a given year is a leap year or not, right? So we have three conditions to check. All right, so first is basically a year must be divisible by 4. So let's write that down in the if functions. If year divisible by 4, that means it's going to be leap year. If it's not divisible, and then we will have to check year is divisible by 100. Well, in this case, not divisible by 100, right? And or the year is also evenly divisible by 400. So year 400, then leap is true. Okay. Otherwise, it will be false. So let's check that out. So, and then we got the answer right. Let's check for submissions, test cases. It's all passed, right? So that's how you check a leap year. So there's a lot of ways. If this one is given is true, then there's a different condition that we can check. But this is one way to check a leap year is a given year is a leap year or not.